Hey, it's Mike with Serr.biz, right there, SERR.biz, search engine ranking rules. And today we're going to look at and learn about search engine friendly URLs, or SEFs as they're called. So what is an SEF? An SEF is just that. It's a URL that has keywords in it. It can also be called a human-friendly URL. Let's go take a look at one. Okay, so we're back on the local business SEO tutorial, Serr.biz, where you're possibly watching this video. And that's the title of this page, which is local business SEO tutorial. In our case, we made the search engine friendly URL, which is up here, local business SEO tutorial.html. You can have the .html, they can be blank, the .htm. It could even be, .php, etc. In general, though, we like to have our search engine friendly URLs end in .html. That's kind of preference. There's no SEO value that we've found for .htm or just blank words. So we can see that this URL is easy to read. It's human friendly, but it's also search engine friendly because the search engine can easily parse that out. And it also has keywords that we're targeting, local business SEO and tutorial. You don't have to worry too much about this other than to be aware of it and look for it when you're deciding on what website builder to use. Most good content management systems have a search engine friendly URL option. WordPress has it, Joomla has it, Duda has it by default as well. Now, if you're using a hosted solution, this is probably going to be set up for you. If you're doing your own hosting and you're installing the applications, you're probably going to have to get into some actual code. You might need a little help with that. Typically with WordPress and Joomla, you have to use a .htxs file, which means you've got to go to the root of the server, etc. And that's enough about the technical aspect, because this tutorial is specifically trying to help local business owners who don't want to get really into code, which is fine. However, what I can show you over on the WordPress website that we have, this is the hosted solution. It's free, actually, so I don't even have access to the code. But what I do have access to, I'm going to move myself out of the way. In WordPress, your search engine friendly URL is auto-generated by the title that you create for your post or your page. However, if you want to modify it, it's over here. It's called URL slug. Why it's not all universal and we don't all say the same thing everywhere? Welcome to the web. So over here, if I wanted to change it, I could. In this case, I'm fine with it. Let me show you another example over on Joomla itself. This particular article is alt tags, SEO, yada, yada. Well, the SEF that was auto-generated was alt dash tags, yada, 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 right there. Okay, so now you know what a search engine friendly URL looks like and how to create it in WordPress and Joomla. And like we said, most content management systems are going to have this automatically, especially if it's a hosted, fully managed kind of solution. You're just not going to have to worry about it. If you're doing your own hosting and then you're going to install the application, probably going to have to get into the code a little bit more to be able to generate those. For the most part, for a local business owner, I highly recommend a hosted, fully back-end managed solution, because it'll all be done for you and you just don't have to worry about it other than knowing that it needs to exist. So if your current CMS doesn't have it, you might want to change. Anyway, next up, we're going to talk about micro formats, schema, and Open Graph. That's the next video. Thanks for watching.